Are you stuck with Cashapp's annoying error ESB99013 when trying to add money to your wallet? Don't worry. I've got you covered. This error, saying, "We can't add cash right now, try your bank's app," can be a real pain, especially if you're trying to fund your account. In this quick video, let's go through with simple fixes to get you back on track. Let's dive in. This error is often a temporary issue with Cashapp. Here is what to do. First, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Sometimes, you may need to wait up to 24 hours, especially during busy times like weekends. Second, try the workaround suggested in the error. Open your bank's mobile app or website. In Cashapp, go to the banking section and find your account and routing numbers. Use these details to transfer money from your bank to Cashapp. This method bypasses the Add Cash feature in the app. Third, check your bank's transaction history to confirm the transfer. It may take 1 to 3 business days to show up in Cashapp. For faster results, try adding a small amount, like $5, to test if the error is gone. If waiting does not work, the issue might be with your linked bank account. Here is how to fix it. First, open Cashapp and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, go to Banking and select Linked Banks. Second, make sure your bank or debit card is linked and verified. If it is not verified, follow the app's prompts to confirm it. This might involve small test deposits that take 1 to 2 days. Third, check your bank app for any pending or declined transactions from Cashapp. Look for small charges, like 1 cent to $1, which can block new attempts. Fourth, if something seems wrong, unlink your bank by selecting Remove Bank. Then, add it again by choosing Add Bank. If you have another bank or card, try linking that instead. This step often resolves the ESB99013 error by resetting the connection. That's it. These 2 steps, waiting and using your bank's app, plus checking your linked account, should fix the ESB99013 error. If you still have issues, contact Cashapp support at 1-800-969-1940 or through the app. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.